Hey, you. Haircut. Notice connect this baby in. If you haven't noticed, I'm outside vlogging because I feel like it. I want to get in touch with my my outer world, the outer world here. Really speaks to me. It was telling me to come outside because I have too much of a non-life, too much of no life, and that I should fix that. So, I'm kind of turning this into a serious video because, here, let me set you down. Move that stupid vase. My mom keeps a bunch of stupid black antiques. Oopsies. Turn you right here. Okay, so, as some of you may know, Japan, where it so happened to be about, God, there's like that stupid little sprite of sun right there. Here, maybe it would help if I moved. Nah, you're right. Maybe, making too much of a big deal out of this. Okay, so, as some of you may know, Japan, or last Friday, Japan had a 9.0 earthquake, and it was a shame. Ever since Friday, I've been feeling kind of depressed. Ever since last Friday. Today's Friday. The day I'm filming this. For you guys, same day, Friday, I guess. But every word in the dictionary that describes depressed, and so depressed that I can't even think of any movie ideas or that are remotely funny. Hey, Shane Dawson. Oh my god, I'm about to sneeze. Oh my god. I'm a little sick, I'm sorry. I'm trying to be as, not funny as I can right now, because Japan was my favorite country, and everybody who lived there was, it's a shame. Everybody dying from, an earthquake that happened at their home, and I feel so bad for it. If you've seen that Smosh video just made recently, telling you guys to, donate, 2,200, what is it? Yeah, I think it's $2,222 to this, this donating company in Japan. I don't know, I've been feeling so bad about it, and since Japan is having such a hard time and collapse, I just feel like I really want to do something about that and help them out. I mean, really, our government and country is supporting us with money and homes, and even if we are poor, if we're children, they put us in foster homes where we're still taken care of. In Japan, they might be putting in foster homes, but what the okay, moving on. Yeah. It's a pity. Just be glad you're not having this hard of a time some of you out there, you might be somewhat having a hard, difficult time, but when you look at Japan, when you compare Japan with yourself, you're not even nearly close to that that poverty that they're going through. They're going through a lot. I mean, when you really think about it. Okay, this video is kind of carrying on, so I'm gonna end it soon. Just think about Japan and what you could do to help. Sooner or later, I'm gonna put myself forth and do something about that. So, I'll see you later, interwebs.